with a stick-to-stick disarm, the way I was originally trained in Arnis, in Martin Arnis. As lawn comes with that angle 1, I would do a reinforced block. Okay, this is called the reinforced block. One of the disarms, I would grab onto my baston. I would place, either strike into the thumb, or I would place my baston against the thumb. I would turn, and then I would push with this arm and pull with this arm, and there's your disarm. Okay? Now I have 2 bastons. The only problem is, in the real world, your chances of rattan stick against a rattan stick confrontation is not going to happen, okay? I mean, it's very rare. Number 2, stick-to-stick disarms don't work like that, okay? In the real world. Next, can you stop this? And this is the real world. Here's an angle 1 strike. Are you going to stop that with a reinforced block? I don't think so. You're going to get seriously hurt. It only works if your opponent freezes and stops right there, which is not going to happen in the real world. He's going to blow right through you. Got a big guy, a lot of power, he swings. It's going to blow right through your block. Okay? So what do we do in full circle on Easter Month? I respect the stick-to-stick disarm that I was taught. I just practice it differently. We practice empty hand against stick disarms. If I'm in the real world, if I have an impact weapon and my opponent has an impact weapon, and it happens like that, which is going to be very rare, then when he comes to an angle 1, I would destroy that hand, okay? I would hit that wrist bone. He comes in with an angle 1, I would hit that hand. That's that defang in the snake. That's what I would do. And then if necessary, I would follow up. But you have to know your laws. I just, hit him in the wrist. I just hit him in the hand. I just broke some fingers. That's enough. But if maybe his adrenaline's flowing and he just keeps coming, then I have to continue.